Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to apply coupon code on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now when you do that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you're having struggles with that, you don't have a problem because we have plenty of videos on that on our channel. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner guys, as you can see, we have your address, we have the search bar, and down here we have 4 tabs, which are home, shops, search, and the account tabs. What we will be focusing on now is the account tab. So basically click on the account tab, and here guys, as you can see, we have plenty on going on. What you need to do is go and click on the vouchers tab. So how to apply a coupon, or here you just need to go and click on the vouchers tab. Here you have vouchers and offers. So basically you have everything here. You can add a voucher or anything and buy one if you of course want. And then how you can actually go and apply it, it's pretty simple. Just when you're going and adding a food, for instance, let's say Korean, you're gonna go to Korean, add what you ever want to buy, and then at the checkout you just need to go and add the voucher or coupon that you got inside, and when you're going to pay for your food. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.